Everyone, Gina here with Belly Beads. I'm here today to bring you a tutorial on how to roll my 20 millimeter I call tops. They look like little tops, don't they? And if you're not familiar with me, I also sell the strips, the paper strips to create these. I have a ton of different colors, sizes, shapes, patterns. So I will link my website down below. It's bellybeads.com. Go check it out because there is a lot on there. I'm showing you how to roll them. And again, this is my tops, 20 millimeters. Then you also can roll them and interchange the different papers, which I love to do. There we go. The supplies today I have are my paper bead rollers, my Elmer's glue, and of course my paper strips. Now I want to go through the rollers with you. I purchased these off of JP Fun, and I'll link everything below. What I love most about these, look at them, they're all numbered. I typically use the 1 and 2 all the time. I believe there's 6 rollers. I have all of them. They come from 5/64ths, 3/32nds, 5/32nds, 3/16ths, and a quarter. So I again use the 1 and 2. I think they're the most common ones I use. Then of course I have my paper strips, and when you purchase my paper strips, they will come on, excuse me, they will actually be in a nice package such as this. And with this tops, there's 3 strips. It makes 12 beads. So let's get started. I am going to roll my first bead, my first strip, I'm sorry. Condition the paper, and if you're not familiar with conditioning means, just running the paper through your fingers. It allows the rolling a little bit to be smoother. Then I'm going to grab the 1. I'm going to use the 1 today. There is a little like slit right there, a little slot, or whatever you want to call it. If you could see it, you want to place the largest, widest of the paper through it, and then you want to hold it with your thumb, and then my index finger does most of the work. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to start rolling. I usually lay it on my index finger to keep it steady. You want to make sure that you are rolling evenly, and if you feel that it is the sides are kind of going, one is getting thicker than the other, just pinch them together, and that should do it. And just go ahead and rolling the first strip. I'd like to invite you to my paper bead group too. It's on Facebook, Paper Beads Born Pretty. I'll link everything below. We share a lot of ideas and jewelry posts. I mean, it's definitely fun. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. And I'm very generous with my glue because I like to spread it throughout the bead. That really does secure it. All right, I'm going to get my second strip, and I'm going to put a little glue on the second strip. I will line it up with the end of the first strip. See, it's right there. I'm going to press my finger on there. This is the most crucial, important part, making sure they really line up evenly, because that's going to show you and actually dictate this how it turns out. You want to make sure it's a nice even roll. And then there we go. All right, we're going to go ahead and keep rolling. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would be so grateful. It really does allow me to create more of this content. So just hit the subscribe button. And there you go. We want to flip it over and put some more of the glue. And roll it around. Here comes the last strip. Place a little bit of a little dot of a glue there. I'm going to line it up with the end of the second strip. Sometimes it's difficult to see because it's, there we go, it's right there. I'm going to press my finger on that. Be careful, your fingers get very sticky during this process. And then just go ahead. The last strip is very crucial. It really is. You want to make sure that that strip is in line and even. All right, there we go. Now I'm getting to the end. And I already had a piece of it was probably, my fingers were so sticky that it stuck to itself. There you go. All right, and that is my 20mm top. Here we go. My second video will be about how I can create something out of this. I can't wait. It's so exciting. So there we go. We have it. All right, everyone. Thank you very much for supporting my channel, and I look forward to the next video.